Hello friends, welcome to Quick Revision Point. My name is Daksha Srivastav. Today we are discussing important question of English pedagogy. So let's start. First question: which of the following is are true? First, teaching of grammar enables the learner to assimilate the correct patterns of the language without learning. Second, teaching of grammar enables the learner to assimilate the correct patterns of the language with rote memorization. Third, teachings of grammar help in developing learners' insight into the structure of English language. So, which of the following is are true? तो both first and third are right answer. First है कि teaching of grammar enables the learner to assimilate the correct patterns of the language without learning. And third, teaching of grammar help in developing learner insight into the structure of English language. Both first and थर्ड आर करेक्ट. राइट आंसर इज 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. इन टीचिंग ग्रामर द एग्जाम्पल cited should focus on first a particular theme or topics, second different themes or topics, third only or two themes or topics, and fourth none of the above. So correct answer is in teaching grammar the example cited should focus on a first will be right answer a particular theme or topics. Next question. One of the objective of teaching English grammar refers first to increase our power of memorization, second to increase our originality of ideas, third to develop the ability to express ideas logically and correctly in speech and writing, fourth none of the above. So right answer is third, to develop the ability to express idea logically and correctly in speech and writings. Okay, next question देखेंगे. Grammar relevance in learning language cannot be designed as first, grammar is essential to proceed from concrete to abstract. सेकंड है विदाउट ग्रामर एक्यूरेट राइटिंग कैन नॉट हैपन. थर्ड है ग्रामर हेल्प इन डेवलपिंग मेनी मेंटल एबिलिटीज आर रीजनिंग एंड कंसंट्रेशन. एंड फोर्थ है ऑल ऑफ द एबव. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज 4 ऑल ऑफ द एबव. इसमें राइट है फर्स्ट हो जाएगा ग्रामर इज एसेंशियल टू प्रोसीड फ्रॉम कंक्रीट टू एब्स्ट्रैक्ट. सेकंड है विदाउट ग्रामर एक्यूरेट राइटिंग कैन नॉट हैपन. थर्ड ग्रामर हेल्प इन डेवलपिंग मेनी मेंटल एबिलिटीज एज रीजनिंग एंड कंसंट्रेशन. एंड फोर्थ ऑल ऑफ द एबव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है टू मेक ग्रामर टीचिंग इफेक्टिव फर्स्ट द मटेरियल शुड नॉट बी टेकन फ्रॉम लर्नर टेक्स्ट बुक. सेकंड, मोर अटेंशन शुड बी पेड टू vocabulary enrichment. Third, grammar teaching should be done with lots of practice and exercise. And fourth, use of visual aids is not very effective in teaching grammar. So right answer is third, कि to make grammar teaching effective, तो grammar teaching should be done with lots of practice and exercise. Third will be correct answer. Next question देखेंगे. Next question है to goal of grammar instruction is to enable student to carry out their communication purpose. This goal has three implications. Which one of the following is not one of them? First, students need overt instruction that connects grammar point with longer communication context. Second, students should master every aspect of each grammar point. Third, errors construction is not always the instructor first responsibility. And fourth, students should master only those aspects that are relevant to the immediate communication task. So right answer is third, students should master every aspect of each grammar point. Second will be correct answer. Okay, आगे देखेंगे फ्रेंड्स. अगला क्वेश्चन क्या है. अगला क्वेश्चन है इन टीचिंग ग्रामर द एग्जाम्पल साइटेड शुड नॉट फोकस और एरर करेक्शन बिकॉज. फर्स्ट है इट हेल्प इन डेवलपिंग कम्युनिकेशन स्किल. सेकंड, इट हेल्प इन बिल्डिंग कॉन्फिडेंस एमंग द लर्नर्स. थर्ड, ऑल ऑफ द एबव. एंड फोर्थ, नन ऑफ द एबव. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज थर्ड, ऑल ऑफ द एबव. कि इन टीचिंग ग्रामर द एग्जाम्पल साइटेड शुड नॉट फोकस ऑन एरर करेक्शन बिकॉज इट हेल्प इन डेवलपिंग कम्युनिकेशन स्किल. सेकंड, इट हेल्प इन बिल्डिंग कॉन्फिडेंस एमंग द लर्नर. ओके, तो फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड विल बी करेक्ट आंसर, ऑल ऑफ द एबव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. और डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ इनफॉर्मल मेथड इन टीचिंग ग्रामर इज first, it is monotonous. Second, it teach grammar incidentally. Third, it help in rote memorization. And fourth, grammar is not taught semantically. The right answer is 4, grammar is not taught systematically. Okay, the disadvantage of informal method in teaching grammar is not taught systematically. Next question देखेंगे. A teacher shows some object present in the class and asks children to tell their names. She writes their responses on the blackboard and tell that all these names are used for some object which will be called nouns. This method is a first direct method, second incidental method, third deductive method and fourth indirect method. तो correct answer is third in deductive method. Next question देखेंगे. My brother said let us go out for dinner. My brother suggested to go out for dinner. The two given sentence can be differentiated by drawing student attention to the first change into indirect speech of an imperative type of sentence, second removal of inverted comma while third person is speaking, third change in the word from said to suggested due to type of sentence, and four all of the above. So correct answer is four all of the above. Okay, change into indirect speech of an imperative type of sentence, second removal of inverted comma while third person is speaking, third change in the word from said to suggested due to type of sentence, and fourth all of the above. Right answer is four. Next question देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है यू आर अ नवीन अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास सेकेंड. द टीचर टोल्ड हिम यू मस्ट कम इन योर ओन ट्रांसपोर्ट. यू मे गेट ड्रॉप्ड बाई स्कूटर और मोटरसाइकिल और बाई कार. द अंडरलाइंड वर्ड इज अ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स ऑफ व्हाट ही हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड टू कम इन. तो फर्स्ट है सिनोनिम, सेकंड है सब्स्टिट्यूट वर्ड एंड थर्ड है कंजक्शन एंड फोर्थ है एंटोनिम. तो पूछा है इसमें कि द अंडरलाइंड वर्ड इज ऑफ व्हाट इज ही हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड कम इन. तो सेकंड इसमें करेक्ट हो जाएगा सब्स्टिट्यूट वर्ड. ओके, सेकंड विल बी राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. अ लैंग्वेज टीचर वाइल टीचिंग ग्रामर. अ लैंग्वेज टीचर A language teacher while teaching grammar writes some example of the blackboard and with the help of students tries to point out some of the rules. She tries to stimulate the power of thinking and reasoning. Which method of teaching grammar is she adopting? First direct method, second inductive method, third inductive deductive method and fourth translation method. तो राइट आंसर इज थर्ड इंडक्टिव डिडक्टिव मेथड. ओके, आगे देखेंगे अगला क्वेश्चन क्या है. अगला क्वेश्चन है अ चाइल्ड studying in class third says I drank the water. It indicates that the child first has overgeneralized the rule for making past tense verb showing that learner is taking place. Second is careless and needed to be told that she should be conscious of such errors. Third has not learned grammar rules properly and fourth should memorize the correct sentence. So correct answer is first has overgeneralized the rule for making past tense verb showing that learner is taking place. Okay, first will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे. grammar should be taught by first giving clear explanation, second enable practice in context, third asking student to learn rules, fourth making learner do written assignment. तो grammar should be taught by second will be correct answer. Enabling practice in context. Okay, next question देखेंगे. read the two sentence given below. First, the lizard ate the fly, second the fly ate the lizard. A teacher can use this example to explain that first they are example of reported speech, second they are a collection of word, third there is no difference in the two sentence because both have the same words. Four, when subject and object change positions, the meanings of the sentence change. So right answer is four. When subject and object change positions, the meaning of the sentence change. Okay, next question देखेंगे. Ritu often makes errors in subject verb concord. The teachers can help her by first asking Ritu to learn the rules and scolding her. Second, asking Ritu to write the rules 10 times in her notebooks. Third, taking up many examples for the entire class and paying special attention to Ritu. And four, explaining to her the rules of grammar. Correct answer is third. Taking up many examples for the entire class and paying special attention to Ritu. Third will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे. Communicative language teaching is concerned with first teaching language to learners for written test, second separating grammar rules to suit the audience. Third, enhancing respective and productive skills such as speaking, listening, reading and writing. Fourth, teaching of vocabulary and grammar through rules of spelling and language. The right answer is third, enhancing respective and productive skills such as speaking, listening, reading and writing. Third will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे. When young learners are taught to improve their spelling and punctuation, they will first enhance their fluency, second nurture their creativity, third sharpen their listening skills, fourth improve their accuracy. So right answer is 4, improve their accuracy. 4 will be correct answer. Okay, next question देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हेन अ टेक्स्ट आइटम्स एक्सपेक्ट द लर्नर टू यूज टेंस फॉर्म, वॉइस, connectors, preposition and articles accurately. Such an approach can be called. First है mixed grammar tasks, second improper grammar testing, third integrated grammar testing, fourth assisted grammar practice. So right answer is third, integrated grammar testing. Okay, third will be correct answer. Next question देखेंगे. Minimal pairs are us usually used to give practice in first pronunciation, second reading, third vocabulary and fourth structures. तो correct answer is 4, structures. Next question देखेंगे. Under constructivist approach to language learning, learners are encouraged to first discover the rules of grammar from example, second avoid errors completely, third practice language drills mechanically, fourth learn the grammar rules by rote. तो right answer is first, discover the rules of grammar from example. Okay, first will be correct answer. Next question देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है दी डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैव बीन डाउनलोडेड बाय द स्टूडेंट, एंड सेकंड है द स्टूडेंट हैव डाउनलोडेड द डॉक्यूमेंट्स. द टू गिवन स्टेटमेंट कैन बी डिफरेंशिएटेड बाय ड्राइंग स्टूडेंट अटेंशन टू द. फर्स्ट है यूज ऑफ बाई in the passive form, second है differences in the arrangement of word, third है rules of the subject and object in both sentences, fourth है change in the verb form. तो right answer is third, rules of the subject and object in both sentences. Okay, next question देखेंगे. which is a function word? first however, second booking, third principal and fourth someone. तो right answer is second, booking. next question देखेंगे. I loved Ophelia, 40,000 brothers could not with all their quantity of love make up my sum. The phrase 40,000 brothers illustrated a figure of speech called first imagery, second personification, third hyperbole and fourth allegory. Right answer is third, hyperbole. Okay, next question देखेंगे. The student make mistake while playing a grammar game. The teacher should first call aside the erring students and after some guidance, second call aside the student in charge in the group and instruct him her to guide the student, third quietly note down the mistake and hold a remedial class for the erring student, and fourth quietly note down the mistakes and discuss them with the class after the activities. So right answer is 4, he quietly note down the mistakes and discuss them with the class after the activity. Okay, 4 will be correct answer. next question देखेंगे. you have to bring your own stationery. You will need 2 pencil and erasers as a ruler. The underlined word is a first substitute word, second reference word, third conjunction and fourth lexical similar word. तो right answer is first substitute word. next question देखेंगे. next question है I suggested that we all watch the movie Tiger. It has been suggested that we watch the movie Tiger together. The two given statement can be differentiated by drawing student attention to the first change in the verb form, second the rules of the subject and object in both sentence, third use of by in the passive form, fourth the arrangement of words. So correct answer is second, the rules of the subject and object in both sentence. Okay, next question देखेंगे. What is wrong with the following multiple choice question? Tick the most appropriate. The metro theater is located Lowry Road. First over, second B at, C beside and D behind. So right answer is first over is the correct answer, second all answer are wrong, third two answer are wrong, and 4 this statement is not correctly formed. So right answer is 4, the statement is not correctly formed. Okay, formed, correct answer is 4 हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, what is the system of rules that governs how word can be meaningfully arranged to form phrase and sentence? First phoneme, second language, third syntax and fourth morpheme. So right answer is कि what is the system of the rules that governs how word can be meaningfully arranged to form phrase and sentence. So will be is called syntax. ओके, करेक्ट आंसर थर्ड हो जाएगा इसमें. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, रिमीडिएशन व्हेन स्टूडेंट फाइंड डिफिकल्ट इन द यूज ऑफ डिफरेंट मॉडल्स कुड बी फॉर देम टू. फर्स्ट है इसमें प्रैक्टिस बाई कोलैबोरेटिव कंप्लीटिंग टास्क वेयर स्ट्रक्चर आर यूज इंटीग्रेटिवली इन वैरायटी ऑफ रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन. सेकंड, बी गिवन एम्पल प्रैक्टिस इन यूजिंग मॉडल्स इन सेट ऑफ सेंटेंस. थर्ड, फ्रेम सेंटेंस ऑन देयर ओन एंड टीचर करेक्ट देम. फोर्थ, लर्न अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर्स आउटसाइड द क्लासरूम थ्रू सुटेबल एक्टिविटी. तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा फर्स्ट, प्रैक्टिस बाई कोलैबोरेटिव कंप्लीटिंग टास्क वेयर स्ट्रक्चर्स आर यूज integratively in variety of real life situation. First will be correct answer. Okay, thank you friends.